BonkBot and Nova Bot are two popular crypto trading bots on the Solana blockchain, each catering to different trading styles. BonkBot is known for its lightning fast execution speeds, making it ideal for sniping trades and automating quick buys and sells. But it lacks advanced security features. NovaBot, on the other hand, offers limit orders, copy trading, and enhanced security, making it a better choice for strategic and risk managed trading. While BonkBot is perfect for speed and simplicity, NovaBot is better for traders who need customization and security. If you prioritize fast execution and ease of use, BonkBot might be the better option. But if you value advanced trading tools and security, NovaBot is worth considering. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your trading style and risk tolerance. Make sure to use these bots responsibly.